Well guys, time for a fuel filter to be installed. We pretty much have to jack the back out there, and I think the fuel filter for the MK6 Jetta is at the rear on the passenger side. So we'll be lifting the back, and we'll be installing it in the process. Just for safety, I have my fire extinguisher here, just in case, just ready for anything there, just in case we caught on fire or whatnot, because we're dealing with the gas there. So anyways, stay tuned. Here's our fuel filter. As you guys can see, there are two connections here that we need to pop out, and then there's one over at this side here. Directions going this way flow wise. There's a clip on either the top of this one here and also over at this side here. You just have to pinch this to release the clip. So that's what we're going to be doing. But beforehand, I'm just going to spray a small amount of DW40 on the clip itself, so that way it releases easily. There'll be pressure on the line here, slight pressure that the car is off, so it shouldn't be that strong of a pressure. But what we're gonna try and do is, and see if it's gonna help, is we're gonna open our tank here and release some of that pressure built up on the tank itself. In fact, there's no pressure at all, so that should be fine. Press this clip here, guys, slightly with a flat head. It helps when you decompress. Push this out a little bit. I see there's a bit of a give there, and then press the clip. There, it released. I have a pan here to capture some of the oil or the fluid that comes out. Got one. Just let that drip a little bit and work the other one. Get the second one out. Now we just gotta unscrew this whole thing out so we can get at the back of the other one there. So once you remove this screw, make sure we don't lose that, and then we can pretty much get this thing out of here. There you go. There we go, guys. Let that drip a little bit, and then now we can get at the clip a lot easier here. All out. We just got to get the other one in. The direction of flow, again guys, just follow that arrow there, and in this case we just have to pop it back in, tap the new one in, make sure it does click in the process there, and then we have to insert it back in here. Just be careful we don't damage anything. That plastic bracket there, we don't want to damage that in the process. Here we go. We'll put our bolt in here. It's kind of rusted here, but we'll probably have to take care of that at some point. That's good enough there. Insert the one in the middle first. Hopefully not blocking your way, guys. There, one. Two. Just double check, make sure they don't come off. And we will prime our new filter, and just make sure that we get rid of the air pocket inside there. So we'll just turn on and off the prime the starter a couple times, turn on and off, and that should basically build the pressure back up there. And we'll check again to make sure that there is no leak coming out of here. All right, time to prime the new filter in. Just have to turn on and off the power. Oh, of course I forgot the battery. All right, next try. Alright guys, let's just double check to make sure nothing is leaking back there. Just making sure everything's good. Looking good so far. I don't see anything that's obviously leaking, but anyways, let's get the car started and see how it goes. All right guys, we just started the car. As you guys can see, looks pretty good, guys. No issues here. So yeah, awesome. So awkward taking a video underneath here. Anyways, all good. We're all done. Hey, thanks again guys for watching this episode and all the episodes in the past 2021. And again, I would like to wish you guys a happy new year, and hopefully you guys stay safe out there as well, guys. Keep the parties in minimal, and I hope that you guys have a safe New Year's Eve, and that you are going to keep yourself safe in the process. Again guys, I would like to thank you for this past year, for sticking with me and supporting me with all the videos that I've been putting out there. I hope that you guys enjoy all the videos that I just did in the past year, and hopefully the new year, new things will come for us, and new ideas, new horizons that we can actually explore, and that I'm so grateful for all your support in that manner. We'll end the video here. Will be the last video for the year, and I hope that you enjoy all the DIY videos and also the spontaneous vlogs that I've been doing lately. I'm mixing it up a little bit here, guys, and doing some storytelling a little bit for you guys, because I do love the storytelling part of this channel, which I haven't done much and haven't been exposed much to do. I'll be going forward, I'll be doing a little bit more of a vlog type of videos. Hopefully that we can incorporate a bit of a fun in the process, where you get to know me a little better, you get to know my style and the way I work with things. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy this next year, and that you will continue to support me as always, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of these vlogs that I'll be putting out besides from the DIY videos. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'm really pumped for the next year, and at the same time, guys, I'm so grateful. And if I could actually sum up 2021, it's been so great that I was able to do a lot of things, and being able to actually get support and help from companies as well for their sponsorship, and I'm so grateful for that. Until next time, guys, peace out.